how to turn on driving mode on Android phone. So driving mode helps us focus exactly on driving and mute or unmute some of the notifications. Also read some of the notifications aloud, which could be really helpful while driving. And also it could be turned on due to some conditions. So I'm going to show you how to enable it and use overall. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to access settings. And now, depending on the device you are using, on the Android phone you are using, just find something similar to modes and routines. Now, we should see a bunch of things here, but we are interested in the driving section. Also, make sure that you selected modes on the bottom of the screen, not routines. So tap on modes and click on driving. Now you need to get ready for driving by opening maps and limiting disruptions from apps and notifications. So let's click start. We can set this mode to turn on automatically with the help of Android Auto or Bluetooth device. For example, you can click on Bluetooth device and select device with the help of which this mode will be turned on automatically. Or again, you can choose Android Auto. Or you can skip this step. Now from here, select to turn on Do Not Disturb mode while the driving mode is enabled as well, and customize your calls, notifications, and messages. So none of them will be allowed, or you can just tap here and select from which specific people notifications will be allowed. Just tap on Add Contacts and allow only selected. Here you can do the same for calls. And for example, you can enable repeat callers. You can allow repeat callers and customize your messages. Now go in App Notifications and do the same. If you want to receive notifications from specific apps, just click Add Apps and choose from the list. But I'm gonna restrict it and then click Done. Now let's go ahead and tap Next. And we need to choose what to do in driving mode. So we can, for example, open an app or do an app action, media volume, Bixby voice wake up, or read notifications aloud. I'm gonna tap on that option. And to use it, we need to go for apps, more options, special access, and then notification access. So you can tap here and turn on modes and routines, then click allow and go back. Now tap again that option if you want to use it and select from which specific apps notifications will be read aloud. For example, from Facebook. And we can also choose Telegram and then click done. Now I'm going to click done again and again. And now we can customize it further. For example, what you can do is you can either turn on manually this mode by tapping option turn on, or you can choose for this mode to turn on automatically. So you can click here and you can either again select Android Auto Bluetooth device or add condition. For example, each time you will reach the specific place, the mode will be turned on. Or let's say each time you will turn on or off mobile data, this mode will be turned on. So this is basically the logic how it works. You can also choose something else, for example, app opened, dark mode, sound mode, battery level. For example, each time you'll reach 5%, the mode will be turned on. Or you can choose any other option. Now, I'm gonna click on cancel. We can also change appearance. So you can set different lock screen while this mode is enabled. I'm gonna choose this one, this funny dog, And let's just wait a bit. And yep, now I'm gonna click done. And then tap on home screen and basically do the same. So let's wait again, it's loading. And I'm gonna just tap on done to save changes. And now I'm gonna turn on manually, go back to my home screen. And firstly, you can see that my wallpaper has been changed. And also, if you take a look at the top right corner, you will see the little car icon, meaning that driving mode is turned on. What you can do is you can swipe down from the top right to access your quick settings. And on the bottom, you will see driving. If it is white, then it is turned on. To turn off, just tap on the icon once and it will be turned off. So yeah, that's it, how it works. And don't forget to hit subscribe button to see more useful content.